get at me then. Get happy then. Only bitch league, gonna be happy then. I couldn't ask you 10. It's Harvey.
So this slab.
It's smoke, get at me then. When the league, bitch league, gonna be happy then. I was down, niggas fake, I couldn't ask for 10. Now I'm straight, all I know is bring that bag of gin. Rich nigga, but I'm still around them savages. Bitch nigga, you ain't never let that ratchet hit. My kids no cheat.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? We're back at it. We got Victor out here today. Dripped out again, huh? Quarantined out? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I'm tired as fuck.
It's hella early. We got Jericho out here today. We are going to be installing new parts for the Subaru here. So we got his ride height going on over here. Looking pretty good. What? And then we're in the Mishimoto. We got the Mishimoto front mount for the car today. It's gonna be a long install, guys, but we'll get started right now. This is the bash bar that comes with it, and there's some piping there, and I believe all the shit is in here. So this is a carb legal front mount intercooler for the Subaru right here. We're gonna be installing it. It's gonna be pretty hard, no cap, but probably try to film most of it, but it's pretty hard to do vlogs when you're trying to install something that you don't know how to do. So we're gonna get everything out and then show you guys what it looks like. Probably we're not gonna show every step, but we are learning in the process, watching the video right now. So yeah, I believe first step is
Fan shroud.
pan shroud. Take that shit out. Oh shit, it already dropped. And I think we have to take the front bumper off and shit. So yeah, let's get started, and then we'll get into this real quick, and then we'll update you guys in a sec. All right, stock one is out.
Top mount intercooler.
Who wants a CPU water cooler right there?
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Build computers, you know. How you building cars? You don't know how to build computers.
Yeah. Early in the morning, man.
Sorry guys for the laugh. That's my early morning laugh. Oh, look at this, guys. It's gone, boy. Now we are, I really don't know. I'm following a video right now. But,
You just start
yeah, guys. Holy shit. Oh. Alright, y'all. So, we are tightening the intercooler now to the bash bar. Wow, dude. Shit's looking crazy. Looks nice, though. I like it. I like it. Alright, and then I think we're gonna put all the tubing and everything back, so it should take a while. This is probably the hardest part here, is putting all this piping and everything in, but we got it mounted up. So here's our first look at it right now. And for some reason it's also carb legal, so it's good, man. So what did you say there was a lot of?
A lot of hose, man.
Jericho got a lot of hose. Look at that. Some over here, some black ones, white ones, whatever you want, man. Alright guys, we're gonna fucking find a bolt because I dropped it. So we're gonna look for one again. And it's lightweight hard, the install's lightweight hard, but we're trying to figure it out right now. Alright guys, we got the screws. Here we go. Now we're about to head back. Hopefully this works. So yeah. The charge pipe and everything on, the blow valve is also hooked up right there, and we just have to connect the piping and everything. Right now I think we just took off the AC compressor right there, so we have to redo the belt or whatever, and then there's a new hose for the crankcase. So we just took out the OEM hose, and then that's the new hose we're going to be using. And obviously the top mount is off right now. Here's the front mount right over here. And yeah, hopefully we finish soon, guys. We've been trying to do this for like the whole day almost, so it's just a pretty like confusing install, that's why, but we're starting to get the hang of it and everything. All right, so Matthew pulled up here. Yeah, what's up, boy? What you doing out here?
I'm just driving around. I got bored.
You caught us lacking. Caught us lacking. We're installing something right now.
What y'all installing?
Bruh.
Want you?
Mishimoto.
So guys, I'm not sure what's going on at the moment.
Mishimoto sponsor fan right here. Just dropped by, bored out of the house.
Mishimoto. That's how boss be saying it. What are you doing, dog?
Oh, I was just tightening something right here. This one, hose clamp, T clamp actually.
Oh yeah, the T-clamp from Mishimoto we filmed. Hey, this is sick though. What if they made blue color hosing?
Yeah, I think you could, bruh. Like a custom one. Maybe.
That'd be sick.
Yeah, more money, bro.
Black is cool though. It's like low key, you know what I'm saying?
What the hell? Bruh.
Motherfucker.
I like some pussy.
Got Timothy here with the new tires, man. 215/40. Got the Federals on today. Man, you know what the fuck going on. What you want, folks?
I'm just tuning the car right now, bro.
So what were you doing to it right now?
I'm just flashing that stage 1 tune because they give me a wrong one. I'm supposed to get the race math one. So I got a race intake. So they sent me another one, a new one. So I'm just going right now, bro.
Oh yeah. So you're a tuner now. Oh, you just flashed it already. Oh shit. Okay. So yeah, guys, Timothy just flashed his car. The company actually sent us a wrong map. So, because we actually changed the MAF housing. Because it came with the intake, there's like a new MAF housing, so we had to change the tune for it. And then the file that we had was for the stock MAF housing, so we had to contact the company and get a new tune, basically. But now everything should be cool. Shit, man, you know what the fuck going on. For all the Cali heads out there, you guys will know why this is very necessary. I mean, you don't have to run a carb sticker if you don't want to, but if you don't want to get harassed, it's easier, you know? On the front bumper now, here's Jericho's ride height, really nice. Nice and low, stance.
Bro.
I'm just kidding, guys, we just had to air it up because we had to work on the car and shit. But yeah, guys, all the piping is on. We gave the Subaru the pipe today. For surely, man. And all the top mount stuff is gone right here, so we got a bunch of room to work with.
Damn, bro. We're just gonna check for leaks.
Is everything on?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Hey, press the unlock button again. My things are broken.
Both of them?
Hey, turn the headlights on real quick. Turn the signal.
Yeah, it's fucked up.
Is it working there?
Yeah, but it's really fast. The relay is like fuck.
See?
Look, it doesn't go that fast, bruh.
Oh yeah, TJ's was doing that.
The relay's fucked.
Where's
It's probably just a fuse or something.
Where?
One of the relays for the blinkers, probably. Unless you get new blinkers, probably.
R.
Just get LEDs.
Turn it on. Open the window real quick.
Uh-oh.
Turn it on.
Leave it. Light it idle.
Everything sounds normal.
It's like a 12-hour job, bruh.
Hell yeah, it said it was 6 hours, guys, but it took us like, what, 10, 12?
Yeah, bro.
But then we took a break, probably like only for like 20 minutes.
Where is this dude going? Where's he going?
Do it again. Go.
Hell, man. That's like, that's no deep, nothing. saw it move, bro. What the fuck?
This boy's geeking. Our helmet on.
It was like, I was waiting on EDD to hit, bro.
Alright guys, so we were having issues with the bumper not fitting after we installed the intercooler, but we were able to sort that out, you know what I'm saying, finally. So, shout out Marcus for the Dremel too, man. Shout out to him. We didn't really need to cut this part. I thought it was the one blocking right here, so I cut a little hole here, but it actually turned out to be some part of the under tray that was stuck, or the fender liner or something. So now everything's on, and I guess we'll end the video here. We are going to get this car tuned with the front mount as well as a flex fuel kit from Cobb. So we are aiming to push around like 380-ish wheel, hopefully. So Jericho wants to go a little bit faster now, and stay tuned for that dyno video, guys. We actually do have dyno this Thursday, so yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.
You come too close to my family, you may not step again. Let me tell you now, I'm all about my dividends. My brother told me I didn't get allowed too many years. I keep the smile on me, but I done shed so many tears. You make that move and you may never see these streets again. I lost some niggas in these streets and they can't see me win.